All right, y'all, we're about to go exploring in the woods. You never know what you'll find out here, so let's go take a gander exploring some woods here. Never fails to amaze me. What do we have down here? Okay, let's see. Here's somebody off in the distance. This looks like a little creek bed or something. Huh, okay. Cool. Let's go see what's over here, especially along this little creek bed. Looks like a very unique little creek path here. What is that? Dayton parts? Okay, is that a crawfish hole? Wow, look at that, guys. There's another one, just out in random spots. Look at that. There's another one. There's 3, 4, 5. Wow. What is that over here? Somebody's house, or hello? Let's see if we can see in that little hole. See what it is.
Is the door open?
I don't know, let me see. It looks like a really old door. What is that? Oh, looks like I don't know what it is. Okay. Okay. Oh, that was a close call. We got this. Dude, what in tarnation? And there's like piping. It's crazy. Dude. Okay. The adventure just keeps beginning, or keeps going and going. A lot of old woods here. What the hell is that? Are we supposed to be here? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what all this is. It looks like maybe a natural disaster has hit. Okay. It's like all washed out over here. Bunch of washout. Okay, there's a bus. Okay. Let's take a gander in the old bus. I guess it just opens. Wow. Okay. Wonder if this is a homeless encampment. Dude, what? Maybe somebody's been here? Like sand on there? That was quite interesting. Walking in the woods. You never know what you're gonna find in the woods. Whether it's headstones, abandoned buses, abandoned storage houses, I'm not really sure. The rocks, I mean, you can find anything, but it's always an adventure out here.